Hey, hello guys. आवाज़ क्लियर है ना? हे लक्ष्मी, हाय. Okay, we are roughly 25 people. I will quickly start the session now. So thank you guys for joining the session. Um, First and foremost, right? So I think people in mentorship, you guys have already made a decent profit. I think we did a live trade today. I would suggest you guys to not take any new trade until and unless it is within the 20% risk limit, right? Do not take a new trade. We'll quickly get into the screens. Are you guys able to see the screen now? Just confirm yes or no. Good afternoon, Bhupati. Yeah, I hope everyone is able to see the screen. Yeah, cool. Now look at this six components of Bank Nifty, right? Right now, don't enter any trade, guys. Right now, do not enter any trade. The reason is we just wait, right? I think it's a bank. There is a slight. Okay, just wait. There is a helicopter moving around. Hmm. See, we are trying to understand how the market is gonna behave, right? Finnifty expiry, my typical observation is movements happen after 230, 245. So don't be in a rush to take a trade, right? We'll look at everything. We'll look at our expiry setup and see where we can take a position, plan that position, and then try to again enter only if you are seeing some good risk reward for yourself. Else you can avoid taking that trade, right? Do not be in a rush to make that entry. Yeah, the reason is today is monthly expiry, so you would either get a big blasting trade or you could get a trade which could trap you and completely wipe out your profits for the day. We had two good trades today. I don't want anyone to lose money, right? Now we start with HDFC Bank. Clearly guys, HDFC Bank, when you are seeing the chart, is it, again yesterday's analysis I said it's near resistance, it can fall. If you see, it is at multiple resistance. See here there is a resistance, here there is a resistance, right? It consolidated here, went up and then is again falling. Now probably if it touches, it has to close below this candle and then it can come down. So HDFC right now for all practical purposes is very neutral to me, because it can shunt between these levels of 1694 to 97 if it closes above. But if it falls, it can give me a good movement downside, right? This is the story with HDFC. ICICI next. Sometimes Zerodha for me hangs. Yeah. ICICI, if I see again, you can clearly see a trend line downside, a support here. Now if you see, right, it tried to confirm a support around 12 o'clock, but it could not take out these candle highs, right? So again in between, if I see above 991, 991.5, it can go to 995. I need a move below like this. The trade levels below are decent. From 988 to 982, I am seeing a decent fall in the ICICI Bank. So again right now if you see, ICICI Bank along with HDFC Bank is neutral, right? Which means my PE premiums could melt or cool off right now. Do not hold anything. Our targets in the PE have completely been met in Finnifty. Finnifty, right, from an expiry standpoint, we will try to take 20,500 PE, but we'll try to take it around 5 to 10 rupees, right? I will again now zoom out of ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. This is a support area. A good candle to confirm support, but the problem is it will take a resistance here. So it has got 4 points to travel up. Now for down, if it touches this place, it comes down, it is good for me, right? Axis is neutral to bullish, it is not bearish right now. Kotak again confirmed the support here. Kotak actually after giving a fall for 5 to 6 candles, right, above 1867 can go all the way to 1884. Guys, this expiry can grind us in the last 15 to 30 minutes. The reason is it's a monthly expiry. You can see Kotak can actually take charge and go 20 points up. HDFC is neutral, ICICI is neutral, Axis can be, Axis if it touches this area can be bearish. So both this HDFC and ICICI biggies need to fall before they can actually confirm a level of resistance, right? SBI, which was bearish for the entire day, actually is now looking neutral, but above 610 it will again become bullish for 3 to 4 points. So guys, Kotak, these two are not actually, these two are putting some seeds of doubt in my mind. These two are completely neutral. They touch a level and they can come down. Kotak is looking bullish. IndusInd is again trying to take a support, right? Guys, do not hold any put right now. Good afternoon. You could actually see a bounce at this level. Look, as we were talking, ICICI and HDFC both have started traveling up, right? They have started traveling up. Is this thing completely clear in terms of macro picture? Now let's get into the option chain. Guys, do not enter any trade right now. Wait, we will wait and see. First thing that I will see is OI stats for Finnifty, right? If you guys have not seen yesterday's, I will just pull it up for everyone so that everyone can see it. See, I use OI Pulse for my data. A standard disclaimer, this is not any promotion of a tool. I use it, I have access to it. It gives me data the way I want to see it, and now my trading style I have designed around it, so I use it, but there is no compulsion for anyone to use. If you find a free resource, if you can use it out of NSE, it is completely up to you guys. I find it comfortable to trade, which is where I am doing it. Date as of yesterday, right? Today's expiry is important. It's a monthly expiry. It's preceding an event, and there is an event, and proceeding this event is gonna be BankNifty expiry. Guys, you would see a lot of wild swings after the grinding first half and a fall, which is impulse, right? You will be surprised today. See, yesterday 20,500, who was holding the fort? 20,500 put writer. Surprisingly 20,300. So okay, a very interesting thing, 20,500 and 20,300. 20,300 had the highest put writing. Yesterday Finnifty was trading well above it. So if you see, right, Finnifty has a potential to trade up to 20,300 and 20,350. Call writer very clear is there at 20,700, right? Now let's look at the status as of now. See, this is the status as of yesterday evening. Now today what has happened, the 20,500 put writer has taken out his positions. This guy is continuing to okay, 20,400 has written more. Let's see, as 20,000, okay, 20,300 put writer. I think the put writing has shifted. So you could see a swing between 20,360 to 20,550 today. So you have to short as close to resistance as possible and try to do not buy it near the support. Buying it near the support will be risky, right? Now let's get into the OI analysis. Standard thing, right? We find who is the host, who is the guest, and how is the house being prepared. So in terms of Finnifty, 20,500 where all the action had happened yesterday, right? We get into 30 minutes chart. It was at 25 lakh yesterday. What happened? This one was at put writer was at roughly, it was at 40 lakh. This guy was at 25 lakh. Now if you see, right, this fellow has been consistently writing, but there was a dip here and then he has started writing aggressively. This person had a big dip here, right? His writing has been erratic. 20,500 for all practical purposes looks to be an area which would for sure be defended by the bears, right? I will move to next level, which is 20,400. Sorry. Now here if you see non-existent, some short covering, which is like profit booking, because if you see 5 and 2, 7, 3, 8 lakh contracts were written. Some of these would have made profit and then they are writing, right? But a big amount of OI exists here. These guys are continuously writing. All I need is, see, now there are only two conditions, right? This guy is the guest, he is the host. Now if there is a big dip of OI, say 15-20 lakh in 20,400 PE, then for 20,400 PE rebuilding I can buy this CE. The thing is, whatever is the CE, you need 30-35 lakh contracts written here. So I can buy 20,400 CE, or alternatively, see, this is the primary setup. This is how the guest and host system works. Host needs to take a step back, guest needs to come in, then you wait for a short covering here. The second thing, which is an alternative setup which can happen, basis what I am looking at, right? 20,500, whatever writing was done has been taken out. So now whatever writing is happening here can get taken out. Probably we may get a good trade on the 20,400 PE side, right? We may get a good trade on the 20,400 PE side. We'll continue to focus on the chart. This is where market had a support. This is a swing support price action wise. I need a closing below this level. It has been sweeping here, right? So for all practical purposes, I will be trading, if I go on the short side, something like this. This will be my target. Finnifty 20,400 PE. I will prepare here. I need someone to come in and pull up 20,400 PE. This is neat. Right, you have a neat structure being formed here. All I need is now, see, this level was broken, there is an inducement here. Okay, I need this PE to come somewhere near this range. Ideally I want a candle to sweep this area lower than 10 and then come up around 12 rupee, right? This will be my hero zero, 20,400 PE. This is 20,450 CE. It's trading low. Try and see 20,400 CE also. Guys, any questions here or is this understood? This is trading well above. See, I want this CE to go from 92 to 127, 25-30 point move here. This can then fall below this level of 9 rupee 80 paisa. It falls, it comes back, and that is where you make your trade. Personally, I am seeing a pullback in indices, Finnifty and BankNifty, to cool off the premiums of PE. Guys, any question? In the meanwhile, if anyone has any questions, we can take it. Guys, is the market working per how we analyzed it? I said I wanted someone to pull this up. Guys, is it working per how we wanted it to work? It is going up, right? It is going up. And I said don't be on the short right now. If you see the components, I think one of the component has given a solid rally. SBI along with Axis. Axis I wanted it to touch here. Kotak is also supporting. I said Kotak can confirm support. If you see these three charts I had marked which could create a problem, they are creating a problem. Perfect analysis guys, perfect. Alright. This can go between 121 to 140. If it goes right, you will get a good hero 0. It's a very interesting stage. It can go all the way to 2-3 rupees and then come out. This has touched the level that I wanted it to touch. Let it come back. We will take a hero 0 trade here. Okay, I have bought Finnifty 20,500 PE. I have bought it at 29 rupees 80 paisa. I have bought this basis the same logic that I have explained here. I am seeing a decent push down. It's gone to 32.5, right? This is progressing well. It can touch here. This is what we had drawn. It has confirmed the support. It can come down. One can start trailing above 42. Finnifty, this CE, if it goes above 42, one can start trailing, exit your quantity and then hold it for the targets of 52 and 72. This has hit the perfect resistance that I wanted to see. So Finnifty is slightly far. I wanted it, by the time the premiums melted, I wanted this one to go and fully touch this level and then come down, because this gives me a space of 60 points. Anyone entered the trade? Anyone entered the trade? How many entered the trade? I am not, for some reason I am not able to see this chats. Chats are not getting refreshed guys. Okay. Keep watching this. Once it crosses this level, right, it can give a decent return. If it doesn't, see this is a double bottom, right? If you see this is a double bottom. Here if you see it's trying to confirm a support as well. It could sweep this area also. So if you have made your 10% profit, you can exit some quantity and hold it guys. Nick 29.4 I had given this. Okay. Cool. This one can hit this point and then come down. Wait. It's making a perfect setup for the bulls to trap bears. The reason is so I wanted to see this. We have seen it around 20,500. Now we'll see what it has to do. This is written. These are the put writers that I want to see covering. There is a confusion here. There is a confusion here in 20,500 PE writing. This has hit the level, which is perfectly fine. This has swept. Now I want in this candle this particular put to come up. It's 0 0 Sanjay, yes. The quantity, one should ensure you are not risking more than 10% of the profits that you have made in the morning. It's a 0 0 trade. If the condition I want to see now is it has to sweep and come back to 28 or 29 levels. In this candle, I need to see some demand created here. Finnifty has touched the resistance that I wanted it to touch. Big components are still under check. What is moving up? So see, this has moved up and touched the resistance. Axis Bank has moved up and tested the resistance here. This one is again trying to go up, but this and this were bullish any which ways. HDFC and ICICI can lead the fall here, right? It can lead the fall here, right? This candle is forming the way we wanted it to, right? Now above 35, right? You can start exiting your, see your quantity, you can start exiting from 36 levels. I said it can sweep down as well. It has given a sweep down. Now it has to come inside the range that it had created for such a long time, right? It cannot continue trading it down. The target Lakshmi is this. The target for me is 44. So the first target was 40, second target is 44, 45, third target is the VWAP, obviously 56, and then the 71. I don't want this candle to close below 18.7, the low that it has created. This will create a problem. The reason I am saying it is, see here, throughout the day these guys were controlling the flow. Now suddenly new people have come in here, right? So I want these guys to take a complete exit. I want these guys to cover, because CE writers have not, P writers have built aggressive positions, CE writers have not closed many positions. So I am expecting this one round of dip to come here, right? We will see if this candle doesn't close inside the range. Probably we will have to take a 2-3 point stop loss and then exit the trade. The candle should close above. this candle should close above. I am waiting for it. The candle should close above the range and then go and take out this level. A demand, see, I wanted a demand to be created, it has created a demand. Follow up, it has not broken this. Now this candle, right, should try to come inside the range. Only then I can continue to hold my put, else I will have to rethink. The reason I am saying I will have to rethink is component. See, the here it has touched the supply. Now after touching the supply, it has not given the kind of reaction that we were expecting. These guys are not supporting the rally. HDFC and ICICI. SBI, which actually rallied, is giving a profit booking. Here this guy is giving a profit booking. I'll start deleting everything here so that we can see the charts clearly. Right. So I want to see if they are, now this is the only guy who took a rally and is completely, again it's touching the resistance, but it has not given the kind of reaction that I wanted to see. Guys, this went to 32.6. I need a closing above 32.6 to continue holding on to my conviction, else I'll have to take an exit. I don't know why, but I get a feeling we may have to exit this one. We'll see. Okay. The candle here should support us. I am just deleting this. The candles here should support our hypothesis. The components clearly, right? Axis, I was expecting it to go up. Kotak, I was expecting it to go up. Axis asset can face the resistance here. It is facing resistance but not giving a sharp reaction. Finnifty PE, in any case, I don't want a closing below this level. Any closing which comes below this level makes it very tricky for me, right? It makes it very tricky for me. We have 1 minute, we'll observe, else we'll take 3 to 4 point stop loss and wait. This one, Nick, this one, see if this takes out, right, then the level is 20,585. It will completely change the story. Wait, we'll see. See, this candle has given a very neutral closing. Guys who want to exit their trade, just wait. We'll see. It's actually giving a good. See, this one actually can move like this. I am waiting to see, because CE side it is giving a good meltdown, PE side it is not giving a move. Now most of our conditions are being met. I want these shorts to get covered. I want these shorts to get covered. Here I want piling up of shorts, and here I want covering of shorts. Right. This is a data, as in data is still getting built up there, so don't look at those minus 28, minus 28 back to back. So you have minus 41 here. Wait, I'll just go to 30 minutes. Now I want these new people who have come in, right? They can cover and I can get my complete thing in, right? Candlestick formed here is clearly saying above 32 I will get a good movement, else there is no movement. I may probably end up taking the stop loss and then I'll wait and see. It's at this point of time we are losing 5 to 6 points. I will wait and see. This candle should not close above these levels. So if you see, this level has been protected. This was a support earlier, then it became a resistance. It is sweeping above this level, but it is not closing here, right? Which is fine, perfectly fine. It's beginning of the candle. If you see these three 15 minute, right, just 2 minutes done, so you cannot make this, consider this very reliable. If it breaks this level, we will have to take the stop loss. It's a full meltdown of premium. I will take my stop loss around 12 rupees. I will take my stop loss. It will be a loss of 17 points. I will take the stop loss there. And then I will wait. If it breaks this trend line, I will have to wait at 12 rupees. I am placing the stop loss at 12 rupees, guys. I am placing the stop loss around 12 rupees. I will take the stop loss and then I will wait. The stop loss has been hit. I will now wait for the trade. This is a good movement on the upside. We will wait and we will see. This candle closure above this level, right, would mean these guys are completely taken on out. But I'm not convinced about this move, primarily because of the, okay, everyone is combined together, fine, which is okay, we'll wait. I am waiting to see what market is doing. I personally feel we may, again, just basis the setup, I feel this one would be the zero hero, but it has crumbled a lot. Actually, if you see from the highs of 90, they have written it down like anything. From the lows of 54, they have actually taken it up to 150. Personally, I am seeing one dip coming, but we'll wait and see. We'll not try to force our analysis on anything. I only need in this setup, I am expecting selling, yes. So this one, the shorts should not build here, right? The new shorts should not build here. The calls should not start covering their position. I am expecting, if that happens, then we are expecting one round of selling again. But it's a solid turnaround, especially for Finnifty. It's a solid turnaround. Longs only above this level of 2570, guys. Longs only above 2570. I would try to long only if I get a closing about 2570. The target upside is 2605. It's a small target, so be cautious, guys. Be cautious. Market could even now give a surprise move downside. It's a monthly expiry, so all these moves you can see. Finnifty is more bullish, is what it is indicating. No, okay, BankNifty is yet to cross this. Wait, if BankNifty crosses this area, right, then all the new shorts today will all convert. Do not hold any position, guys. Stop loss, I learned to take the stop loss in the system. I am just moving this to 20,500 CE. Not convinced about this move upside. We need these shorts, right? These covering which has happened, we just need these to convert. You have decent 90 lakh shorts here to actually get a move upside. Input. Finnifty of the three index is the strongest today, 0.22% up. Rest both are 0.10, 0.10 each. We'll see, we'll wait and watch. Again, the trend is bearish, so don't try to go on the call side. Bijinderji, we will wait. So any new put writing that they do after 2 o'clock, right? Generally, I have seen them covering those positions rather than the vice versa. So in my mind, I will wait. Call side trade, I will only take with confirmation. So right now, market has not given that confirmation. Pivish, we took a live trade and we took a stop loss. I am getting a feeling the indices may come down for the same reason, right? If you see, it's confirming the resistance multiple times whenever it is touching it. Finnifty is more bullish than BankNifty. That is a problem. That is the only thing. Finnifty is more bullish than BankNifty. BankNifty is clearly confirming the short side of trade. Finnifty, right, has actually swept. Now till it comes below 20,519, right, it will not give you any decent trade on the short side. It's a monthly expiry, so whatever move you will get, right, I think can rocket up 5-6 times. I'm waiting and watching. This is a consolidation candle. Finnifty is more bullish than BankNifty, guys. Finnifty somehow is not. This is fallen. We'll wait and see. Components. Okay, HDFC is supporting now. Be cautious. We'll wait on this candle and see if HDFC falls. We are in the game. Else, I may probably just watch this expiry rather than trade this expiry. Interesting. But somehow these premiums are not increasing. These premiums are not falling. Pool will continue to watch. These guys have been taken out 20,500. See, are they building positions at 20,600? No. 20,550. They have started covering. there a resistance here that they are trying to take out? Okay, they are trying to take this out. We'll wait. If this candle actually closes above 20,560, they may be serious about taking out the 20,550 level, guys. Else you will have to wait. Now 20,500 P, while Nifty Financial Services is at 20,550, you have a premium of 5 rupees. Probably this premium may be written off. 20,550 PE. Let's see if there is a premium to write in this. Premiums are heavy on the put side. Okay, you have premium here. You have 14 rupees premium. Maybe a expiry which they will write both the sides, guys. They will write both the sides. You have 21 rupees here. You have 14 rupees there. They may prefer to write both the sides. Do not get caught in their fight. I may prefer to just stay out. I want to wait and see. I'm staying out right now. After the loss, I'm staying out. This candle, see, HDFC has to close below 1692. This one has to close below 992. Else there is no trade for me. Bank Nifty, look at the components, Prabha. I don't see that. Somehow I am not getting the comfort. They have got the premiums to write. They may write the premiums both sides. They have got the premium to write. It is stuck in between. See, guys, now the only trade. See, I'll just repeat. I'll just repeat for everyone. The only trades that I am seeing right now is a closing above this level somewhere, right? A closing above this level, then I can go all the way up to 2587 and 2606. This is one, right, on the long side. If I start closing below this candle 2530, I can retest and I can go back to this side, right? So in the interim I will take a pause here. So these are the 30-40 points both sides, right? Now for some reason 20,500, which we were confident it will defend, they have completely given up. They have completely given up this area. I was expecting these new guys who have come in, they would get written off. They have not got written off. So we will have to wait. If the alternate strategy kicks off, we will have to wait. No, I have not given any other 00. Shift 1. The only 00 that I gave the stop loss. Now I am waiting. See the way the candles are forming. This one, let's zoom into 1 minute and see. Can it actually take the tuck? No, it has to come down. Okay, let this one come to 21 rupee, 20,500 C. Okay, anyone who wants to buy can buy at 39. 39, between 39. Just wait for a candle here. 39 and 31. Just wait. Let the candle actually reverse. in 1 minute, let it come down, touch 39 to 31, you can probably enter. Yeah, bank nifty sell, I'm only interested below 45,777. It is completely in a small box. Here you cannot make any decision. Guys, don't be in a rush to try to do a revenge trade and take out the money from the market. Market will take it out away from you. Have they started covering these guys? If yes, then good. If no, then you can enter C now. So okay, put side the build-up is happening, the call side build-up is, guys, in all probability this dip was to get the exit for the put the call writers. Guys, you may see a big move up, you may see a big move up. Wait for the appropriate level to buy. You may see a big move up, because these guys who have covered off their position, they are not writing. Here the people are continuously writing, so probably alternate setup may trigger. They will force these guys to cover. Okay, the move has started. The move has started upside. The move has started upside. The analysis was spot on. The analysis was spot on. Nobody is trapped on the short side. I hope, guys, nobody is trapped on the short side. I hope nobody is trapped on the short side. So for mentorship students, this is how you read the OI in conjunction with multiple things. If you see, I said this box is a no trading zone. From here they can pull up, right? And that is what they have done. If you see this option here, they have pulled it up, guys. They have pulled it up exactly here. This candle. So I said if you get a reversal, you can take an entry. Wait, if you have not entered, wait. Do not be in a rush. It will again come down, test this and only then go up. Or it can consolidate here and go up. Wait. Lakshmi, you entered the trade or no? If you have entered now, last entry don't make, because against the 16-17 points that we have given, this trade would have ensured you would have made your money here, because it has given movement, right? It has given 34 points movement. You would have made the money. If you have not entered, only then make a last entry. Otherwise, don't make an entry. Yeah. Okay, you made at the zone and exited. Perfect. Good. You have exited here, right? Around 70-74. This is a resistance. It can consolidate, come back down to 66 and then go up. Pivish, did you enter? You asked for it. Okay, so you exited at 70. That's a decent level. This, right? You would have exited here, right? At this candle. Here, these highs, right? perfect exit. See, because above this there is a trend line immediately 75 to 70. So 74 to 78 was a trend line. 73 is not a bad exit at all because you only had 3-4 points upside. I may want to make an entry now around 66 years, between 52 and 62. Between 52 and 62, if I get, I will make an entry. Yeah, only people who did not enter earlier should enter now. Okay, Lakshmi, no worries. So we are trying to get these guys to cover their position. You may see a big short covering coming in. Right now Finnifty is at 20,560. Okay, you have premiums here. Wait, do not make any fresh entry, guys. Wait, let it come down, do not enter in the running candle, let it come down. You have to wait for it to come down. Now above, see, now above 71 you can enter. Now above 71 you can enter. Good, Prashant. I am above 71 you can start entering. My system hung. System froze. Okay. Above 71, guys. Above 71. Above 71. We are looking at 20,500. Guys, the entry is made above 80. You can start trailing. The entry has been made 78, 79, 81. Guys, now don't give back money. We already had one stop loss. 83, 85. Guys, cover your losses. Guys, cover your losses. 88. Cover your losses. 91. Guys, I hope everyone would have covered their losses. The entry was precise. I said if it comes between 56 and 66, you can wait and watch. Then I said, initially I said you can make an entry, but then I said wait at 71, above 71 you can make an entry. Guys, I hope everyone has made the profit. Do not try to be very cute with the market. The entry was at 56 or 66, but I said wait, it's a day of expiry. You have given one stop loss. You have not come in the market to prove you are the mightiest. You have come in the market to make money. By good means, cute means, ugly means, any means, you have to just make money, right? Had I could very well go back on my statement and say I said entry is at 66 from here to 92 is 50% move. No, I am sticking by my stance. 71, when it came down I said wait. 71 to 93 I said exit because we had taken a loss in the first trade. Everyone would have covered their losses is what I hope. 3 trades, 1 hit SL, 2 gave good profits, 32 and 23 points. Not everyone has taken all the entries, but at least I am assuming 30-40% Janta is now in profit completely. The other 60% Janta is in big profit because they would have taken both the trades, right? For people who did not take the SL entry, best. Guys, how many are in profit? How many are in profit? We analyzed the market. Market made us do all the yoga, right? Market made us do all the yoga. I said these new guys will be made to cover. if you see, they have written all the puts here, right? There is a big way upside actually. If you see, till now the covering has not happened. Ideally, if this goes above 1,10,000, these guys come down, right? You will see 2550 CE actually go in big profit. Hey guys, good. See, this is a analysis session. This is how a trader sits and analyzes the market. This is how I take my stop loss. This is how I continue trading. I am not again, even when I made losses, I covered. I said exit at a stop loss, right? Once you have exited, you have to sit. I said don't try to avenge your trades. Don't try to sit in a revenge trade. When it was going up, I said wait around 41.33. If it comes, I will go long. It went. Some people took an entry along with me. Some could not, which is fine. You sit peacefully, market will give you another entry. It's a Finnifty expiry, monthly expiry. Market gives a movement after 3 o'clock. It came down. I said between 56 and 66, if it comes, we will get an entry. The candle high was unfortunately at 69.8 with a spread. I consider it as 71. I said enter at 71. From there you got 22 points. This is how you make your trades. This is how you plan your trades. Now you will see all the fun on the CE side. You will see this candle taken out. Do not enter guys. Do not enter now. Just sit and observe. No entries now. If the market comes down between 72 and 80, wait, let the candle form above that candle high, whatever is the candle. You will see this call can actually now go to 113, right? You have to wait. After 3 o'clock you will see a very good movement in the markets, right? You will see very good movement in the markets. You would be surprised to see again, we had analyzed, we thought put will work, right? Basis the setup. See again, it is not guesswork. You have to go per the setup. Open interest, like everything, is a lagging indicator, but it is more reliable than other things, right? I use open interest in this setup. Trending expiry, you get fantastic results. It is okay. Every setup will give you losses. This setup also will give you losses. The idea is you should not be sitting with your ego. You have to take your losses, right? Mentoring students, everyone was able to understand how to analyze these open interest. Guys, 73, 76, wait, this is an alert candle. Do not enter. It's a 1 minute candle. And people who have made profit, don't bother. Everyone else, just observe. I am also observing because my system hung. Right, above 85 you will see rockets in this 20,500 CE. Above 85 you will see rockets in this. Okay, but we analyze the level. It can come down till here. It came down till 68, 69. Now my alert candle is formed. I am waiting and seeing what it has to do. Wait and don't be in a rush to take a trade. You set your boundaries and then let the market come to those boundaries. You will get a trade. Don't worry. You set the boundary, let the market come to those boundaries. You will get a trade. This candle, which is our alert candle, this candle has to be taken out for you guys to get a trade. The candle has to be taken out. If it is not getting taken out, you have to wait. If this support is not taken, next support is at VWAP. Let the alert candle touch and above the alert candle take. Guys, see, you have to be very patient in market. Right now, market is all about probability. Nobody can say with 100% certainty what kind of trades will give what kind of reward. You can only quantify your risk, not the reward. Reward typically 1:2 is what I like to take a trade on. Sometimes around 1:1, 1:1.5. Market does not support, then I have to take cost to cost plus brokerage. from 96 to 43, 53 point down move. It's okay. You will wait for the alert candle. Solid tussle going on here. I think 2500 by now is taken out completely. More or less, yes. These guys should have, it looks like a profit booking. Here the call writers are completely in control, no sign of confusion. Here they have taken out, but they are slowly starting to write there, which is interesting. वीवैप का अलर्ट कैंडल बना है, थोड़ा वेट करो. ये देखो, ये अलर्ट कैंडल का हाई है ना, ये बड़े बुल कैंडल के इधर है, तो आई एम वेटिंग. 68 के ऊपर ही मैं जाऊंगा. डू नॉट ट्राई टू टेक अ पुट ट्रेड नाउ. फॉर पीपल टेकिंग एनी ट्रेड्स, डू नॉट ट्राई टू टेक अ पुट ट्रेड. फिन निफ्टी में 2600 PE. Do not take a trade, guys. I feel both will be below VWAP only, but I want to see what this guy is doing, till where it can go. It can go till 78, guys. ये 58 62 के ऊपर शायद ही जाएगा. शायद मतलब इसके ऊपर ही रॉकेट बनेगा. Guys, do not enter any trade at VWAP. It has formed an alert candle. It is consolidating. Let's wait. Finnifty expiry 15.5 15.10 के बाद भी देता है मूव. बिल्कुल भी रश में मत रहना. But in this session, I hope you guys are learning, because at some stage you will all be taking independent trades, analyzing the markets peacefully and taking your trades by waiting, right? The reason I am not seeing component chart is it is redundant. Everything was near, it will move 20-50 points only, not more. बट सी अगेन, मार्केट देखो ना, मैं चलाता हूँ ना कोई और चलाता है, ठीक है. मार्केट इज रन बाय बिग मनी. द मोमेंट HDFC बैंक एंड ICICI बैंक सपोर्टेड द रैली, it's okay. I had a bearish view. I took my sell, came out. Then I had bullish view. I made money. Now again I am sitting out. At any given point of time, after the 2 trades in the morning which was successful, I will not risk all my capital. I said for people who have made money, put 10% in zero hero. You made loss, which is okay. You are still losing out of your capital. The next 2 trades again you only risk 10% of your profit. There we made more than 1:3, 1:4. There you are making good money. So at the end of it, you are going home with decent profit. This one can go till 76. We will wait, see what it has to do. Interestingly, here if you see now, this can sweep, this can go and touch the resistance around VWAP. If the 20,600 PE in 1 minute gives a reversal candle, here it sweeps the low, touches 27 and gives a sweep candle, you can buy it. Give it time. If it doesn't happen, then don't force the trade. One of them, it's a monthly expiry. All this data moves will happen. Wow. $20,500 CE. All eyes on it above 44, 45. All eyes above on it above 45. Stop loss is slightly big. But why did you take the trade? I was continuously repeating, Lakshmi, don't take a trade. No, don't get into PE, please. Is it that 9 EMA setup? Is it that 9 EMA setup or just the price action? See guys, basis everything you make a hypothesis. If that hypothesis works, market gives you the entry, you have to enter there. Our hypothesis was it will take out this level, it will touch the VWAP and come down PE, it will sweep this level and then it can go up. This is how you, so you plan. Now I am waiting for my plan to come to reality. If you see, a demand has been created here. Mentorship guys, a demand has been created here. This is an inside candle immaterial. Now in the third candle I want this entire selling to be taken out. 42, 44, right? These levels have to be taken out. If this candle does not give the reaction, there is no trade, right? Then you would be touching 1510, then you are waiting for another setup to create. But the one that we were observing all this while has happened. No, I am not talking about you, Nitya Lakshmi. I am talking about Lakshmi Narsimhan. $20,000. The problem is premiums are there both the sides. And when premiums are there, option sellers will attack. Finnifty is at 25, 27. Why is this then trading in discount? This is actually trading at a discount. Okay. This setup that we were waiting for is no longer valid. The candle which formed a supply, formed a demand has been taken. We will not take any trade right now. We will just sit and observe now. There is no trade entry right now. So whenever a setup forms, you have to analyze, then you have to place your conditions and then take an entry. If the setup is formed, entry is not coming, then you don't take an entry. Now the setup that we had thought of, right, has been, it's null and void because the low has been taken out by the market. Now we'll have to wait. There is a decent liquidity here. But it's a monthly expiry on Finnifty proceeding, which, so starting today, right, in the night, Fed will actually sit down, look at all the data points and then make their decision on rate hike. Wednesday they will announce it. Thursday you have a monthly analysis of BankNifty and Nifty. It's an important analysis in many ways. It's an important expiry in many ways because I think starting next contract, BankNifty will be traded Wednesdays weekly and then Thursdays on a monthly basis. So after 15, many things are actually changed. 15 as a lot size. In BankNifty there are many changes, right? So along with BankNifty, generally components are tied very closely with Finnifty. That is where, that is also, it sees the impact and repercussions there. So you have this area. See, this candle should have not been taken out. They have taken it out. All probability it can touch 40 points down. Finnifty can touch 2476 and 462. But in our setup, unfortunately now the trades are not forming because put premiums, if you see, are not increasing, but the call premiums are melting. Last time when it was at the down area, put premiums started melting heavily and call premiums started shooting up, right? They may keep it, they may keep both of them in a range. This is 550 to 510, 40 42 rupees premium. It is trading at a discount. This is trading at 30 rupees, 12 rupee discount. To Finnifty spot, this is 12 rupee discount. It's a monthly rollover. It should not be this big a discount. Ideally, there is no delta, gamma or theta effect left. 2500 CE has got a 10 rupee premium. But PE also, they have been able to control it by not moving it much. I'm just saying on 30 minutes. 2550, see, they covered all. So today 1 candle they are covering everything. They are writing, they are covering. So it's gonna be difficult in my opinion. 2500 will be defended for sure. So let it come down. It will come down. The same 2500 CE, let it come down, and then you may get it at 14 or 15 rupees if it's come. Then all. But don't get into the put side, guys. This trade got confirmed at 12 or sorry at 20 80 19.5 rupee. This got confirmed. This has only given 8 rupee move. Don't bother. Do not bother. I hope nobody is stuck any side, guys. The put premiums are not moving much. You see 2600 PE, if it has given big move, 550 PE, which is the, see, even this has not moved. When we left it, it was around 66, 12 rupee move, right, against 40, 50.1. Guys, in all probabilities about 30, this one will rocket. This one can rocket. 2500 CE above 30 can rocket in the last 10-15 minutes. The time is not there. Cool, Nit Lakshmi, cool. The time is not there, but this one could rocket. Actually, put premiums have not moved much, guys. They have melted both the sides. They have melted both the sides. They have melted both the sides. Right? They've used ICICI and Kotak to control up move and down move, both sides. Do not get compelled to take a trade. I don't think, see, it's a monthly expiry. Generally, if the move had to come, they should have given the move by now. It's not come. Now you will see both the sides melting. I'm still hoping for one last move about 30. If I get in 2500 CE, I would be interested. 2500 CE went all the way from 20 to 97 in a matter of 30-35 minutes, came down in a matter of 25 minutes from 97 back to 23. We'll wait and wait to see what happens. Today they have taken out premiums both sides, CEP, even in BankNifty they have done the same. Both sides premium have been taken out. I am just waiting to see what they do with this particular strike. Above 30, I am expecting a movement. Time is not there, otherwise we could have seen a decent move. Cool, I think they will eat premiums both the sides. Guys, in the meanwhile, ask us any questions that you have in case there is any stock that you would like us to analyze. Hello? Hello? They're doing it so late. This is being done so late. I wanted to see this happen early. Silver and gold. Wait, they will not give any movement today, Jigar. I'll look into it. We'll look into it. Wait. You want to see MCX chart or what? No, MCX. Okay, we'll see. Wait, we'll see. Just give me a minute. जबरदस्त, ये एक एक कैंडल में ऊपर भी लेके आए. इसको देखो, एक कैंडल में 35 से 123 पे लेके आए, फिर सुला दिया 63. एक कैंडल में शॉर्ट कवर किया. एंड सेम दे डिड विथ 2500 ऑल्सो. 2500 did sustained it for 2 times, which is okay. But the movement did not happen. So on the put side, right, if you see, the movement did not happen. This put, if someone would have bought, right, you cannot buy it till this wick is taken out. So 56, if you buy, your stop loss is 36, 20 point. You have gained 22 point. Not a good risk reward trade. We'll see that the MCX charts. $59,300 के ऊपर ही कुछ होगा गोल्ड में, वरना इन बिटवीन रेंज है. मंथली एक्सपायरी में हाँ, दे प्लेड इट बोथ द साइड्स. इट्स अ वेरी दबाया हुआ एक्सपायरी. इसमें 74,850 के ऊपर सिल्वर में, जिगर. तो ये दोनों एक्चुअली दूर है. मेरे हिसाब से आज गोल्ड सिल्वर में मूवमेंट नहीं आएगा. उसका रीज़न क्या है, ये लोग फेड का जो मीटिंग है ना, उसके प्रिपरेशन में जनरली ये लोग दबा के रखेंगे मूवमेंट्स. पर्सनली आई एम, इसके ऊपर ही मूवमेंट आएगा. लिक्विडिटी अच्छा बन रहा है, चार्ट अच्छा है इसका. सिल्वर इन MCX इज़ बेटर देन गोल्ड, बट यू विल हैव टू वेट. ये अगर आज शाम के सेशन में ना इसके ऊपर गया तो लॉन्ग अच्छा मिलेगा. सी, लुक एट दिस, राइट, इट्स गिवन वन पुश डाउन. अब इसको ये लो नहीं काटना है 74,324 का, ठीक है. ये लो नहीं काटना है और ऊपर जाके कंसोलिडेट करके निकालना है. अराउंड 630 US सेशन में ये अगर काटा तो अच्छा जाएगा. Any other queries, guys? Any other queries? If no, then we can close the call. I don't think any move will come now because the levels have not been taken out. But if you see, these guys have retained here. These guys have retained here. Neither you would have made. So put में लास्ट में पैसा नहीं बनता. नीचे यहाँ पे आप बाय नहीं कर सकते 35, 36 पे. ये अच्छा खासा टूटा है VWAP के नीचे. There is no indication. Finnifty also, if you see, has not given you any indication. It was in fact going. It had taken out 50% of this candle. It was trading above this level, right? So you cannot take a short till this level has been taken out. So put का movement last जो 20-40 point का आया, nobody, I don't think technically it's in a zone where you can buy it and hold it. See, we were hoping and we did not get an entry. ठीक है, cool guys, we will close the session. I hope everyone enjoyed and I hope everyone made the profits. Thank you guys.